There seems to be no stopping this market. Today in early trade, the Nifty did manage to scale above its 14,500 level as well. Now, if you compare this to how the markets have behaved in the last 1 year, it is at extremely elevated levels because we've had a whopping 90% up move from its 52-week low that we had hit early in March last year, which was 7511. So that's been the entire journey of the Nifty from 7511 to almost double of that at 14,500. However, it is the Nifty Bank that has been languishing in trade, yet to achieve a 52-week high, as well as trading just about about 1,000 points away from hitting a lifetime high as well. The broader market indices also performed very well. The Nifty Midcap index has hit a fresh lifetime high, while the small cap index is yet a distance away from that level. But if you have a look at the texture of the market, the recent run-up that we have seen, of course, the last few months have been very good for the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank. Even for this month, the start has been quite positive. Both the auto index and the IT index have gained more than 10% each, while the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank have gained about 4 to 2% each on a respective basis. But with the rally that we've had recently, there are some early signs of overheating or overbought market conditions that we track. One of them being tracking the percentage of Nifty stocks that are currently at their 52-week high. And the trend really shows you that there is signs of over exuberance that we are seeing in the market, because there are almost 40% Nifty stocks that are currently at their 52-week highs as well. Now, this is some phenomenon that we have not seen since May 2014. So that's the kind of elevation that we are looking at in terms of the percentage of Nifty stocks which are above or at their 52-week highs. Historical evidence also suggests that whenever we've had conditions when there are more than 30% stocks at their 52-week high on the Nifty, there has been flat to negative movement for the Nifty over the next short term to medium term. That's the 3-month and 6-month return that we are going to track. So let me just highlight those instances for you as well. 6th of September 2016, over the next 3 months the Nifty corrected 9%, and over the next 6 months it remained largely flat. The one before that, on 23rd of Jan 2015, 5% is what Nifty corrected over the next 3 months, and also shed about 2% on an overall basis over the next 6 months. 2014 was the only exception where you had double-digit returns, not only in the 3 months after this particular phenomenon was reached, but also after 6 months as well. September 2010, you had flat return from the Nifty over the next 3 months. However, it did eventually manage to correct as much as 10% over the next 6 months. 2007 was kind of an aberration as well, because over the next 3 months you had a wild up move in the market of about 17%, but that eventually gave way and the Nifty corrected about 7 to 8% over the next 6 months. So overall, to say that if you track this particular indicator, we are at historical levels that we have not seen since 2014. So just a cause of caution or worry that one should actually take note of.